Okay, so another boredom video today. As you can see, I'm doing the fuel filters, replacing the old ones with AC Delco part number of this TP1007. And these are the two that guy pulled out of the truck. Very dirty, but I'm told the color doesn't really matter. 38,000 miles, 12% fuel filter life left remaining. Super simple job. So I am on the driver's side of the vehicle, and access is right here by the rear door. Jump underneath and you'll see that yellow petcock, and that's on the inside of the frame rail. Undo the yellow petcock to drain all the water. I got lucky because I've heard stories that people broke this petcock trying to unscrew it, but lefty loosey, it was perfectly fine for me. Let all the water drain out, put it back in, hand tighten. Then you have the fuel filters. I read online it's 27 millimeters. I don't have a 27 millimeter. I used a 1 1/8 inch socket, and it worked out fine. Retorquing is 20 newton meters, which I believe is 15 foot-pounds. So there you go. One of my quickest videos, and that explains the gist of it. So thank you guys for watching.